The Docker stats command is a powerful tool for monitoring Docker containers. With it, you can get a real-time view of container resource usage. Let's explore how to use it. Docker stats is a real-time monitoring tool that displays live resource usage statistics for running Docker containers. It provides insights into CPU usage, memory consumption, network input-output, and block input-output, enabling you to monitor the performance of your containers. To use Docker stats, simply open your terminal and type Docker stats. This command will display the resource usage for all running containers. The Docker stats command provides several key metrics. It shows memory usage, which indicates RAM consumption. It also shows CPU usage, which indicates processor utilization. In addition, it shows network input-output, which shows data transfer rates. Finally, it shows block input-output, which indicates disk read and write activity. The Docker stats command comes with several useful options. To show stats once and exit, use the no stream flag. For example, Docker stats no stream. To customize the output format, use the format flag followed by a template string. For example, Docker stats format table followed by name tab.cpu_perk. You can also monitor specific containers by providing their names as arguments to the Docker stats command. To monitor a single container by name, type Docker stats followed by the container name. For example, Docker stats my container. To monitor multiple containers, simply provide multiple container names separated by spaces. For example, Docker stats web app Jinx server. Here's an example of the output you might see from the Docker stats command. The output includes the container ID, name, CPU percentage, memory usage and limit, memory percentage, network input-output, and block input-output statistics for each container. The Docker stats command offers several key benefits. It provides real-time monitoring with live updates of resource usage. It is useful for performance debugging, helping you identify resource bottlenecks. It aids in resource planning, enabling you to optimize container limits. And it is simple and built-in, requiring no external tools. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.